Congratulations on making it to the final session of the Foundations in AI series. Our last topic is crucial: developing an AI strategy that ensures long-term success. We'll consolidate everything we've learned into actionable steps you can take to craft a plan that drives results, evolves over time, and aligns with your business practices. So, what is an AI strategy? An AI strategy outlines how your organization will adopt, manage, and grow AI solutions. Without a coherent strategy, implementing AI can lead to uncoordinated efforts that fail to deliver meaningful value. A strong AI strategy should align with business priorities. AI projects must directly support overarching objectives like revenue growth, efficiency, or innovation. Have clear metrics for success. KPIs should be set from the beginning to measure AI's impact, whether that's faster processing times, increased sales, or improved customer feedback scores. Be flexible yet focused. Technology evolves rapidly, so your AI strategy should include room to adapt to new innovations. But it must still have a clear focus to avoid chasing hype and losing resource efficiency. Use this step-by-step guide when drafting your AI strategy. Start with a vision. Articulate a clear statement of how AI will support your overall business mission. For example, we aim to reduce customer churn by 20% through predictive analytics and personalized outreach. Audit organizational readiness. Assess data quality, team skills, and infrastructure to identify areas that need improvement before adopting AI. Set tiered goals. Focus on realistic short-term goals alongside long-term ambitions. Quick successes, like automating email responses or basic scheduling, can help build momentum for more ambitious AI projects. Allocate resources wisely. Establish budgets for AI adoption and identify leaders or teams responsible for piloting and scaling initiatives. Plan for continuous improvement. AI systems must evolve to remain effective. Here are some examples of effective AI strategies. Retail personalized marketing. A retailer uses AI to track purchase behaviors and send personalized offers to customers, boosting conversion rates while improving customer loyalty. Automated maintenance in manufacturing. A manufacturing company adopts predictive maintenance for machinery using AI systems that analyze sensor data to prevent breakdowns, minimizing downtime and repair costs. These examples highlight the importance of linking AI with tangible, measurable outcomes. AI is an investment, not a shortcut. By creating a well-structured, forward-looking strategy, you can maximize the value of AI for your business while remaining agile enough to adapt to future challenges. Thank you for joining us in this series. Here's to the exciting possibilities AI can bring to your organization.